guys, Music City Cars here. I'm in Bowling Green, Kentucky at the National Corvette Museum Motorsports Park, also known as NCM Motorsports Park, here with the XtremeXperience. Today I'm going to be driving a Porsche GT3 and a Ferrari 458.
Going.
It's either a flock of birds or rain, I don't know.
Flock of birds.
There you go, that sounds good.
Water birds of some sort. This came out of a pond.
You looking for somebody to drive this thing?
What's that?
You looking for somebody to drive this thing?
Alright, so nice and slow, we're going to give them a nice big gap.
Okay.
So if you end up being faster than them, I can radio to them, we can get around them.
Alright.
What we try and do is, since the track is big enough, we just give each other a big gap, and then that way you have plenty of room to have fun with, you know?
Okay.
So just a little bit more. Give them just a little bit more room. Alright, let's go ahead and head on out, have some fun.
Alright.
So you obviously, remember, you'll be coming through here much faster next time, so you'll be braking. Turn in, aim at the green cone, swing on out, aim at your green cone, go ahead and give us some gas. There we go. Good. So you want to be all the way to your side, bring it in, nice smooth transition. Good. Don't worry, you're not close enough to them yet. Nice and easy. So when we're coming through here a little bit faster, you'll have to brake a little bit more, but we'll swing out, bring it in, aim at your green cone. Nice and, yep, very good. Swing out. Brakes. Just like that. Good. Good, yep. On your side. You can bring it in just like this. Good. All the way out. Turn in, look ahead at your green cone. You got another one, Ferrari.
Going around?
Yep, go ahead and go around them. Very good. Nice and smooth as we go through here. Drive straight up through here. Get your braking done. Turn in, nice and sharp turn. There you go. Roll on that throttle. Alright. So remember, slow down a little bit. Don't turn in early. See if you turn in early, how you'll end up over there.
Yeah.
So you want to stay out and turn in late there.
Okay.
Alright. So lift off. Do a little bit of braking. That's good. Turn in. There you go. Good.
Now we gotta let her breathe a little bit, huh?
Yep. So let's go ahead and open it up. Full throttle. Turn in, swing it out, bring it in, and go ahead and give some gas through here. Nice and smooth over to my side. Nice and smooth back to your side. Good. A little bit of brake, off the brake, trust the car, turn in. Excellent. And brakes again. And that's good. Turn in. Good. You accelerate a little bit right here. Yep. Down the hill. Aim the green cone. There you go. Yep. Let it hog the track. Turn in. Look ahead for your green cone. There you go. Good. Excellent. Now we're going to hug my side. Good. Drive it in, just like this, and you're going to brake a little bit, and sharp turn, there you go, and go ahead and open it up as you exit. Alright, so this is that turn again, so what you want to do is swing all the way out to this orange cone, and then bring, there you go, much better. See how that works?
Yeah, a lot better.
Turn in, go and gas right here. And lift. And brakes. And turn it. There you go, there you go. Good, good, good. And go ahead and open it up. And turn it. Here we go, last lap. Swing it out. Bring it in. Good. Exactly. Open up. Good line right there. Good line. And breathe the throttle right here. Good, good. And brakes. And bring it in. Excellent, excellent. Swing all the way out. Brake and turn in. Good, good, good. All the way out. Yes, just like that, just like that. Awesome job, awesome job. Bring it in, aim at that green cone. There you go. Good, good. You notice that we caught him?
Yeah.
Good job. He was way, way in front of us.
Oh, all right.
Go and pass him on the inside.
Take it on the inside.
There you go. Good, good, good. Give us some gas. All right, remember, slow down a little bit. Slow down. In. There you go. Good, good, good. Turn in. And this time we'll be going straight ahead.
Straight ahead.
Good job.
Hey, thanks, Jason.
We passed all of them.
Heck yeah. First place. Man, this thing, I don't know why. I mean, paddle shifters are fun, but this thing gears down on its own so quickly.
There's almost no... main reason they put something like that in, I think, is it's more of almost a gimmick type thing. Like, hey, if you want to drive it yourself. But the computers in these things are so good now.
Yeah.
That, yeah, like I said, it downshifts right when it needs to. It upshifts right when it needs to. So.
Yeah. All right, guys, XtremeXperience. Drove the 458 Italia. We're going to see what the Porsche GT3 can do.
So give it a nice good squeeze, shoulders back. All right. Foot on the brake.
Yep.
Push this button down, pull straight back. All right, we're just gonna turn left. I've got the mirrors, we're all clear. Just apply and hold a little bit of throttle, go around the Lamborghini, about back to the right, and we'll follow the red Lamborghini here. And we will head right on out. And we'll leave about 5 seconds behind this Lamborghini. So we'll coast for just a moment. And we'll follow them right out on the pit lane. The track is all clear. And we'll aim back for the orange cone. And now we'll turn right and aim for the orange cone in the corner. We'll lift off the gas here, give those brakes a good squeeze, aim for that orange cone. A little harder on the brakes. Now release the brakes, right turn to the green cone. And accelerate towards the orange cone on the left side. At the orange cone, turn right towards the green cone. And accelerate towards the orange cone on the left side, all the way out to the orange cone on the left side. Keep accelerating all the way down to that orange cone. Very good. At the orange cone, we'll turn right towards the orange cone on the right side. Orange Lambo. Yeah. All right, we're going to get a pass here in just one moment. And we're going to pass on the right side. So stay to the right. Actually, let's okay, now there's room for us. Stay to the right. Lift off the gas and stay all the way to the right. And stay to the all the way to the right. All the way to the right. We got to give them plenty of room. Now back to the left towards the orange cone and accelerate towards that orange cone. Lift off the gas, good firm brakes. Harder on the brakes. Release the brakes, right turn to the green cone and accelerate nice and smooth towards the orange cone on the left side. Now aim for the next orange cone and lift off the gas, no brakes, right turn towards the green cone and accelerate towards the orange cone on the right side. Lift off the gas, no brakes though. Left turn towards the green cone, start breathing on the gas, accelerate towards that green cone, accelerate towards the center of the track. And now to the right towards the green cone. Keep accelerating, aim for the orange cone, accelerate until the yellow cones. Lift off the gas, aim for the orange cone, and now to the next orange cone on the right side in the corner. Stay to the right, good firm braking here, aim for those orange cones, and release the brakes, left turn towards the green cone. Aim for the orange cone on the right, accelerate towards the second orange cone on the right, At that orange cone, turn left towards the green cone. We'll lift off the gas, just a little bit of brakes. And release the brakes, right turn to the green cone, stay to the right until the orange cone. At the orange cone, accelerate towards the green cone and accelerate towards the orange cone in the corner. Keep accelerating until those yellow cones. And lift off the gas. Good firm brakes here, nice and hard on the brakes, a little harder. And release the brakes, right turn to the green cone. Be patient with the gas, start breathing on the gas. Aim for the green cone, take a deep breath. Accelerate all the way down to those yellow cones. Great job. Keep accelerating until I lift my hand. Very good. Keep accelerating. Awesome. And lift, and hard on the brakes, a little harder. And right turn towards the orange cone and back on the brakes. Very good. Stay to the left till the orange cone, a little harder on the brakes. Now release. Right turn to the green cone. Start breathing on the gas towards the orange cone and back to the green cone to the right. Now accelerate towards the orange cone on the left. Keep accelerating towards the orange cone on the left. At the orange cone, turn right and accelerate towards the green cone. And towards the orange cone, back to the green cone on the left. Keep accelerating until the yellow cones. Aim for the orange cone straight ahead. Lift off the gas, good firm brakes. Aim for the orange cone, nice and hard on the brakes. And back to the right towards the green cone. Accelerate towards the orange cone in the corner. Keep accelerating towards the orange cone on the left side. Lift off the gas, good firm brakes. Stay to the left till the orange cone. Release the brakes at the orange cone. Right turn towards the green cone. Accelerate nice and smoothly towards the orange cone on the left side. Aim for the next orange cone on the left. Lift off the gas, a little bit of brakes, then release. Right turn to the green cone. Stay to the right until the orange cone. And we'll lift off the gas. No brakes though at the orange cone. Left turn, accelerate towards the green cone. Start breathing on the gas and accelerate towards the center of the track. Great job. Keep accelerating. And now accelerate towards the green cone on the right. Accelerate all the way until those yellow cones. Aim for the orange cone straight ahead. Lift off the gas. Aim for the orange cone. Release the brakes. Aim for the orange cone in the corner. Stay all the way to the right. Very good. Back on the brakes. A little harder on the brakes. And release the brakes. Left turn towards the green cone. And accelerate towards the orange cone on the right side. Aim for the next orange cone. And then to the left towards the green cone. Lift off the gas, just a little bit of brakes. Then release, right turn towards the green cone. Aim for the orange cone on the right, back on the gas. And accelerate towards the green cone on the left. Accelerate towards the orange cone in the corner. Keep accelerating until those yellow cones. Keep accelerating. Lift off the gas. Good firm brakes here. Very good. Release the brakes, right turn towards the green cone. Nice and patient on the gas here. Start breathing on the gas. Now accelerate all the way down until those yellow cones. Great job. Keep accelerating until I lift my hand. Very good. And lift and hard on the brakes. And right turn, aim for the orange cone and back on the brakes. Very good. Stay to the left until the orange cone. A little bit more brakes. Release the brakes, right turn towards the green cone. Patient with the gas. Now breathe on the gas and back to the green cone on the right. Start accelerating towards the orange cone. Keep accelerating towards the next orange cone. Keep accelerating. At the orange cone, turn right and accelerate towards the green cone. Stay to the right until the orange cone. Then accelerate to the next green cone to the left. Keep accelerating until the yellow cones. Aim for the orange cone straight ahead. Lift off the gas. Good firm brakes. Awesome. And release the brakes, right turn to the green cone. That was perfect. Very nice. Aim for the orange cone in the corner. All the way to the orange cone in the corner. Stay to the left. Lift off the gas. Good firm brakes in a straight line. Stay to the left until the orange cone. Release the brakes to the green cone on the right. Now smoothly accelerate to the orange cone on the left. Keep accelerating to the next orange cone. A little bit more gas. Lift off the gas. No brakes. Right turn to the green cone. Accelerate to the orange cone on the right. Stay to the right. A little bit of gas. Lift off the gas. No brakes. Left turn to the green cone. Start breathing on the gas to the green cone. And accelerate towards the center of the track. And back to the right towards the green cones. Stay to the right. Accelerate until the yellow cones. Aim for the orange cones. Lift off the gas. Just a little bit of brakes. Release the brakes. Aim for the orange cone in the corner. Stay all the way to the right. A little bit of brakes here. And release the brakes. Left turn towards the green cone. And accelerate towards the orange cone. Keep accelerating. And to the left towards the green cone. Lift off the gas. A little bit of brakes. A little bit of brakes. And release the brakes to the right towards the orange cone. And accelerate towards the green cone on the left. And now we'll lift off the gas, and good firm braking here. We'll slow it down a little bit, and we'll go right through those green cones and back onto the pit lane. Awesome job, man. What'd you think?
Awesome, that was great.
Very nicely done. Which car do you like better? And we'll go to the left for just a moment, and now we can make a nice wide turn.
Okay.
That way we don't have to go through the grass. Very nicely done, though.
I feel like this car was maybe a little more slippery than the 458.
Okay.
But that's race car, right? A little more fun.
Yeah, how about it? Yeah, this and the 458 are two of my favorite cars, so very nicely done though. Nice and smooth and consistent. You look very confident, comfortable out there. You got quick reach lap. I didn't feel scared for my life, which I appreciate.
That's good.
So thank you for that.
Drove the 458 Italia and the Porsche GT3. The Porsche GT3 is definitely a race car built for the road. It felt like it was a little more slippery in the back end than the Ferrari. Of course, that may have been the way I was driving it, but I drove the Porsche second after the Ferrari, so felt like I was comfortable with the track. The Ferrari was awesome. I may be liking the Ferrari a little bit more, the 458 Italia, but the Ferrari would definitely downshift well on its own. I'm sure if you've got more time on the track or whatever, you'd want to, play around with the paddles. I had the choice to do the paddles. I did not, but it really gears down nicely on its own. So just a fine supercar. Guys, what will be a trip to Bowling Green without visiting the National Corvette Museum? And the main reason I came here is right up here. And it's seeing my very first 7th generation ZR1. Check this out. Gosh. So glad I got to see this. This is my first 7th generation ZR1 to see, and had a feeling they'd have one here in delivery at the National Corvette Museum. So it is a beauty, absolutely. Just in time to wrap things up in Bowling Green. It's starting to rain, so couldn't have timed that any better. Quick shot of the C63 AMG. It is still in what I call rally sport mode from when I did the poker run. So Music City car's out. It's getting wet, heading back to Nashville. Hope everybody enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe. Thanks everyone.